Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Elantra 2017 model and this car have a problem. Car not start. Okay. When I try to start car, fuel is there, everything is perfect. When I check with my diagnosis tool, there is a no fault. But when I try to start car not start. See? Long crank but car not start. So that's the problem. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem and why this car not start. Okay, you can see here. First I check with my diagnosis tool in engine. There is a fault in a fuel pump primary circuit. So that means fuel pump have some problem. So we check first live data, fuel pump working or not. Okay, go with live data and then take some time. Fuel is already there, you can see here fuel is there. I thought a fuel pump not working, that's why car not start. We will see. So in live data, what is the fuel pump? See fuel pump. Okay, so now fuel pump off. So when I try to start car, see fuel pump on, off. When I self fuel pump on, that means fuel pump working. Now we check. So what is the problem actually I got? I remove this one and check fuel is coming or not. When I try to start, fuel is not coming. It's flow little bit. You can see here I self 3-4 times, but some fuel came. See that much. That means fuel is not coming properly. I think fuel motor is weak. And here is the fuel relay. I already replaced this fuel relay. This is also perfect, no problem, fuel pump working. And now for information, we check fuel pump wire. See, I already removed this. So check fuel pump current is there or not. Okay, this is fuel pump line or that one. Check now, it's working or not. So you can see now fuel pump current is there or not. I will show you. See, fuel pump is working, current is there. That means fuel pump motor damage. We have to replace fuel pump motor. So we check now, fuel pump motor remove and replace. Okay.